All right, trade recap on the day. Today is August 18th, 1 point, well, just say 1.5 on the day. If you guys don't believe me, scan the QR code. You will see beautiful, beautiful profits. So let's get right into it. Today, we ended up taking 2 trades today. Little weird since I only always take 1 trade. But first trade, it was kind of funny because I wasn't copy trading. So I only took 1 trade on 1 account. But then we ended up getting that second trade and we copy traded across all the accounts with a total of 1.5K on the day. So let's get right into it. Why was I looking for bearish price action today? So keep in mind, price always moves from external back to internal. Price always wants to do that. So moves back to external, external, back to internal, back to external, back to internal. So having that in mind, I was already very, very bearish since we took out these relative equals. Very beautiful relative equals. Ended up taking out this buy side liquidity. We started getting this major push lower, especially overnight. Very strong push. And what are we doing? We are flipping bullish fair value gaps, making them IFEGs. So coming down to the, actually just before daily time frame, we also had this internal liquidity, which I do believe price will want to come down to these zones. So internal liquidity, sell side liquidity. Now we come down to the 4-hour time frame, right? On the 4-hour time frame, what do we see? We have beautiful, beautiful relative equals down here. Like, oh my God, why wouldn't the price want to come down? So very nice draws on liquidity. Again, with the sell side, also internal on the daily and the 4-hour as well. So having this as a major draw on liquidity ended up coming lower to the 1-hour time frame. We have very nice LRL, so very strong reasoning to want to go lower, which we ended up taking out beautifully. So beautiful call out on the day, man. Like, oh my God. So first trade I ended up taking was right over, where did all my, oh, yeah. So first trade I ended up taking was looking at this 30-minute. So we had this 30-minute FEG right over here, very, very small little FEG. So we ended up wicking right through it over here. And we also took out internal liquidity and we're at discounted range from the start of the range right down to the bottom of the range. Very, very beautiful. Then I ended up coming down to the 2-minute, I believe it was. Yes, it was a 2-minute right over here. We had a 2-minute IFEG. A little bit of a late entry, I'll be honest, but ended up taking the trade right over here. Break even. Reason I went break even, essentially at first I wasn't going to go break even, but when I came down to the 1-minute time frame, I saw that we had these FEGs below. And we also had very beautiful relative equals. So this was a very clean break even. So when I was in this trade, we ended up reversing a bit higher, which is only normal because of this fair value gap and relative equal. But I was still very confident for this 1-to-1 to hit. So this was the first trade. Beautiful. So let's just delete this over here now so I can show you properly the second trade. Then right over here, we ended up coming on the 5-minute time frame. So now I started my copy trading. I can't believe I didn't copy trade that first trade. I would have been up so much today. So on the 5-minute, what do we see? Again, same thing. We have a fair value gap on the 5-minute. What are we doing? We're tapping into discount from the top of the range to the bottom of the range, tapping right into discount to the range. Very beautiful wick. Again, we're wicking through gaps, guys. I say this so many times in my trade recaps. When we are wicking through FEGs, it is so powerful. Then we came down to the 1-minute. Yes, it was the 1-minute. So came down to the 1-minute, ended up taking the entry right over here. A little bit of late entry again, but reason I ended up taking this trade and I was so confident about this trade, even though, yes, I was in drawdown. It's perfectly normal. We are still respected inside of this 1-minute FEG. We had very nice LRL below and relative equals right over here and relative equals right over here. So I ended up going break even right over here. And we ended up going again for that 1-to-1, which honestly, absolutely beautiful price action today, guys. If you didn't catch a trade today, I don't know what to tell you. Like, price action was just so beautiful. So if you do want to live trade with me every single day in my Discord with my VIP students, first link down in the description, go check that out. And yeah, bro. So leave a like, subscribe, let me know what you think. And let me know if you ended up catching these 2 trades today. So other than that, hope you guys have a beautiful, blessed day. Peace.